Hi, I'm Dan.
And I'm Mitzie.
We live here in Palm Desert. Coming into this area and having the heat that we were faced with and having 3 air conditioners in the house, we knew that we were going to have a problem since Edison had almost doubled their rates for daytime use. Temperatures that went up to 123 degrees. They never got much better in the evenings, so it was necessary to run all the air conditioners 24 hours a day.
Running the AC 24/7, we realized we needed something to reduce our bills.
Our air conditioning bill was probably between $500 and $600 a month. We now pay about $11 in tax and give about 20% of our electricity back to the power company. But the quality of the panels, the reputation that I read about online, that made us decide on going with Semper Solaris. When I found out that Semper Solaris was owned by a veteran and also employed a number of veterans, being a veteran myself, that was really significant for me, I think, to understand that this is a company that has some good values and is reaching out to try and help some of our servicemen.
Semper Solaris came out to explain the product. They really laid it out very simply. They explained everything to the T, and they were great. They were just awesome.
The installation was seamless. In a matter of a week, everything was complete. I couldn't be happier with the fact that we've installed this. It's going to save us so much money in the future. With the electrical rates that we're being faced with, it's almost imperative that people install solar panels.
The product that Semper Solaris provided and the service that Semper Solaris provided, we couldn't have asked for more.